it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and I got a package today. I knew Ringke was sending me a package. I can't tell you exactly what's in here. I do know it's iPhone 12 related. So let's get into this. Ringke always makes me feel so amazing because they always tell me I'm amazing, right? This is a special gift from us to you for a VIP. You're amazing. Ringke, live a better day. This is the ultimate experience. Over 30 million people are using our Ringke products. Ringke was started on the idea of trying to help users eliminate everyday problems regarding their smartphones, notebooks, and other IT products. Our goal is to recognize and find a solution to our customers' needs. Ringke is a globally known brand, and our products are currently exported to 26 countries worldwide. Ringke products are distributed to our customers in the US, Japan, and the UK through our Amazon and eBay channels. Ringke's customer feedback play a role in improving our products. Selling or purchasing products from unauthorized users, online retailers, or distributors on Amazon.com or eBay.com may affect customers' warranty rights and services. Ringke serves the right to take action for misrepresentation or other interference within Ringke's rights by unauthorized sellers. Please email us at sales@ringke.com to contact Ringke regarding its authorized online retailers and distributors. All right, thanks Ringke. A special gift from you. Live a better day. I don't know exactly what's in here. I did tell them that I'm getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max or whatever it's going to be called. I like the big one, so I'm going to get the big one. Hopefully these are some goodies. I am a fan of Ringke. I like that one. So again, I'm completely amazing. Dear Gadget Goddess. Hello Gadget Goddess. Thanks so much for your continued support and review of our products. We hope you enjoy the products we have offered for the new iPhone 12 along with some other accessories. Best regards. Thank you for making me a part of your YouTube team. I have appreciated it and it's been a blast. Tissue paper is always fun. I'm looking at this color and I am happy already. So, this is the Pink Sand Air S case for the iPhone 12. The 6.7 inch, the big boy. Let's go in. You always get your accessory book 20% off. And they always kind of show you what else you can get for your phone from them. Soft feel coating it is. It does have a nice touch to it. I have an Air S case for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. And this feels a little better. Here is the iPhone 11 Pro Max case, and this is the iPhone 12. And let me tell you, the iPhone 12's case is bigger. So this is gonna be interesting. I love big phones, so it's not a problem for me. But I can tell you the feel, the soft feel, man, that's amazing. Soft feel coating. It's a TPU, and it has micro dot pattern on the inside. I guess to help with if you drop it or something. Next up, we have the oh so familiar Ringke Fusion X for the iPhone Big Boy. That's what I'm gonna call it, the iPhone Big Boy. And of course, I don't have the iPhone Big Boy yet. I am getting it. I want to show you these cases. And then when the iPhone Big Boy comes in, guess what? I will put the cases on and do another video. Make sure everything fits fine. Just showing you the different offerings they have. When you deal with the Ringke Fusion X, you will have a protective covering on the outside and the inside. You'll have to peel off before you use it. They give you a little piece of paper that explains that. And of course, like I said, you'll get the books with the discounts. Two down. What else we got in here? Put those up here. Let's do cases first, because we got more than cases in here. This is the Onyx iPhone 12 case for the big boy. Onyx. Let's see. It might be, no, it's not. Okay, let's see what Onyx is about. Okay, the Ultimate Experience, the Ringke Onyx. This is an original design from Ringke. Alright, Ringke. Got some nice little, looks like metal buttons here. Lanyard holders on both sides. Okay. That was also on the other case. There's another metal button here. So, hey. Nice little rugged. These are raised. They're beveled. That's the correct word. It's going to have protection around your camera. This looks like the more hardy case, like, hey, I'm going to the beach, or hey, I'm going out and riding my motorcycle. This is going to be more of a rugged design. Onyx line. Never used the Onyx line. Looking forward to it. That is awesome, Ringke. Look at those. Next up, we have the Fusion Matte. Y'all watch my videos, don't you, Ringke? I love a good matte case. So again, first you're supposed to rip all these across the top. I am just the person that pulls out of the bottom. This is going to be just like the Ringke Fusion X, which has the protective part on the inside and the outside that you have to take off. I can see it, but it's going to be matte, so it's not going to have the glossy finish. It's going to be more of a dull finish, which I prefer on my cases because they don't get fingerprints. I have owned this same case for the LG Velvet. Great case, nice and sturdy. I've had no issues with it. I look forward to using it. I like having a good clear case. This is a good clear case with a black outline. I have not decided on color yet. I would like to have the blue iPhone, it's rumored. Next up, we have the Ringke Square Ring. Not huge fan of the rings on the back of the cases. I know a lot of people are crazy about them. It helps you hold bigger phones, which I always have. Ringke does come out for the girls. They'd be like, where my girls at? Don't want to take that off. If I take it out, I'm taking it off, and I don't want to take it's ready to stick on the phone. So I will show you that it has watermelons, lemons, bananas, pears, pineapple, but it's pink, and it has all these things on it. So it helps you when you stick it on the back of one of these cases. You know, it's kind of like having a pop socket without having a pop socket. If you prefer the ring over the pop socket, this is the way to go. Ringke gonna hook you up. I'm gonna leave links in the description to all of these items. We have, a Ringke silicone cable organizers. It's a pack of 4. So they're giving me 4 of these, which you've probably seen in some of these discount booklets that you know, if you get a case, they show you all the other offerings they have. Okay, they have a blue, a pink, a purple, lavender, and a black. And what you want to do is they have tape on the bottom of them. You'll put the tape across your desk and you'll run your cords through it so they don't tangle or get in the way. I am going to be able to use these. And last but not least, this is a shoulder and hand strap from Ringke. It is red. You know, I'm not anti-red, so I love pink, but a lot of pink people are anti-red and a lot of red people are anti-pink. I don't know why. I love colors. This is Ringke doing its thing here. Wow, that's long. So, this could go in the cases that I opened earlier when I said, hey, they had Lanyard pieces on both sides. If you put your phone in there, it would hang nicely upside down and you can wear it around your neck. And I guess it could be adjustable to be, it says hand too. I had to read through that. It says shoulder and hand strap. So, depending on how you set it up. It says live a better day. They're trying to make life easier for y'all. All of that's adjustable. So, no matter how long or short you need it, Ringke looking out like a big dog. So, I'd like to say thank you, Ringke. Thank you for the Ringke Fusion X case, the Fusion Matte case, the Air S case in pink sand, beautiful pink sand, and the new Onyx case that y'all have in black. I mean, if you want Onyx, you might as well go black. I'd like to thank you for the cord organizers. I'd also like to thank you for the square ring and the link. A lot of people might have said, well, why did you do an unboxing of iPhone 12 cases when you have no iPhone? Well, there's a reason I did. One, pre-orders start today. I've always been an advocate of saying, hey, if you're going to order a product, you should be able to protect it by the time it comes in. You should not be caseless when your phone comes in. That's number one. Yes, those were cases for the 12 Pro Max. I am getting the 12 Pro Max, but I have also included for you discount codes so you can get 20% off your Ringke order. Between now and November 2nd, you can get 20% off any Ringke case. And to boot, I put my money where my mouth is. I already purchased a Ringke case. Yes, they sent me 3. I'm a caseaholic. So here's the deal. They sent me 3, but they didn't send me my favorite. My favorite is the Ringke Fusion X Camo case. Now, for my iPhone 11 Pro Max, I had the stripe version. I said, I got enough camos. I get the camo every time. So being I didn't have a camo for it, I figured I could double back to the camo. Another good reason, or another reason you should order your Ringke case now is, let's say you get your phone in and these cases don't work. It's holiday season on Amazon. That being said, if you buy something now, you have until February 1st. So let's say, I'm not gonna say the case is not gonna work. I figure the case is gonna work regardless. But let's say you have a change of heart. You get a different model. Or you just, money gets tight and you have to return the iPhone. You can return these cases until February 1st of 2021. So I've given you all the reason in the world to hop on Amazon, you know, get you a Ringke case, get you some protection for your phone, and it's Baby Yoda approved. See? So, I said all that to say this. I wanted to wrap up this video, but I wanted to show you I'm a woman of my word. I got me another case, and Yoda's gonna overtalk me, but we got a case, another case for our iPhone that we don't have yet. But I have no worries and no concerns when my iPhone comes in because it's fully protected. Thanks for dropping through. It's time to get you back to the inside and wrap this video up. Ain't that right, Yoda? Ringke, you treat a girl well. I appreciate you for the reviewer's kit, and I also appreciate you always making me feel so amazing. I'd also like to thank my amazing subs for stopping by and checking out my video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you go out and get you a couple Ringke cases, because Ringke cases are awesome cases. And I'm not just saying that because they sent me some stuff. I was buying Ringke stuff before they ever made me part of their YouTube team and started sending me product to review. As I said before, I will follow up and give you an update when I get my phone how these cases fit. Because we all know from my fold cases, my fold videos, I always feel like I have to come back and give you an update later and show you how, hey, this was awesome when I tried it on. But next day, I'm like, yeah, I'm having this problem. All that being said, I appreciate you all. Y'all be safe out there. And I hope to catch you on the next video. Holla! You're amazing.